morning. Today we'll start with the third chapter, that is grammar and language. In this you have to fill the quantifiers. It is given, two are given in the bracket. You have to select which is appropriate and you have to fill in the box. So select the correct words from the bracket to complete these sentences. Let's start. There was not dash much or any sugar in the jar. So there was not much sugar in the jar. We do not know dash anything or nothing about the new teacher at school. So proper quantifier is we do not know anything about the new teacher at school. There is little or few flour left to bake the cake. There is little flour left. We only have a dash few or little carrots left. We should go and buy some more. We only have a few carrots left. You know what is carrot? Gajar. We should go and buy some more. Dash book in the series is written by the same author. Several book or every book? Every book in the series is written by the same author. There are dash egg in the box. Many or much? There are many eggs in the box. I have taken up very dash few or little of your time. I have taken up very little of your time. Would you like dash some or any coffee? Would you like some coffee? There is dash some or any water left in the jug. There is some water left in the jug. He has spent dash of his money. He has spent all of his money. So these are the quantifiers. According to read the sentence and write neatly in the given box. Next we will do some exercise on British and American English. So let's start. In American English, torch is also known as flashlight. Yes, this is true. In American English, we say torch as flashlight. In American English, color is spelled with an additional L. Yes, there is, but they remove this U. So you will say this statement is false. This U will not be there. Fine. Additional L is there, but U will not there. So this statement is again false. In American English, paralysis is spelled as paralyze. Yes, it is true. Different spelling is there. The British word for faucet is sink. This statement is false. In British English, they use tap. So this statement is again false. The British and American spellings of a theatre are the same? No, it is wrong. Again, this statement is false. They use theater and here it is written theatre. So it is not the same. Next, in American English, it is called the hood of a car. In British English, it is the bonnet. Yes, true. Next, drape is the American word for a stove. No, it is false. It is for curtain. So again this statement is false. The American word for a lift is accelerator. No, that is elevator. We say it as elevator. The American word for a lift is elevator. Is it clear? So you have to do this true and false exercise also, neat and clean in the box. So that's all for today.